Did I mess it up?
Hold on. Yeah, it's not working.
There it goes.
Mess it up. Alright, there's a button that you have to press. Go back. Mess it up.
Alright.
Okay. There was a few buttons that you forgot to turn on, but we took care of it.
We did. Oops. You did that from your end?
Yeah.
Hello,
There's
YouTube.
when you go to the Stream Manager, and you have to enable auto start and enable auto stop. We'll turn off DVR. There we go.
Got it.
Just one more thing. We can't change it now. Damn it.
Now we're gonna be both coming up on just this one, right? And Discord, we're not
Yes.
gonna. You're not. They're not gonna be able to hear my voice on any of the other ones.
It'll be just this one.
Got it. Welcome to the test run.
The only way we can change that is you would have to go. Let me see if I can do it on my end. Change that is if you wanted to be on both screens, is if you type in the same commands, that will change it. And then you'll be live on both streams. Whereas one stream will be dual and the other one would be just what you're sharing that we see currently. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense. Absolutely. Absolutely. Live Alex TWB. RyanMac live futures real-time trade setups with TWB. Cool. Welcome. Do some technical analysis. It's Sunday night. We got Alex on the stream. Welcome to the new lives channel. It's alive. It's a Frankenstein setup, but it's alive. Cool. Out of curiosity, Alex, where do you think that
Gap up.
gap up?
Yeah, they said it. Inflation, we made more money on Black Friday. So
4%, I think it was, right?
yeah.
Wow. Big money.
We'll see once we get closer.
Or
Once
50.
we get closer, the orders pop up. We'll see it.
All right, we closed at 25,484. 25,560.
Let's see. So market gonna explode.
Sound echoey. Is that me? Is that what is that my sound coming through as echoey? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm echoing because through the Discord plus through Ryan's end. Couldn't figure that out quite yet because we haven't been able to separate the two. The people who come up on stage, anybody who comes up.
Hello, what's up, K-Mac? Roy, BDM, what's happening? Good evening. Hope you guys are ready for market open. Hello, what's up, K-Mac? Will it echo now?
should still be the same. We haven't separated the audio.
Got it. We got it. Wow, we got about 4 minutes before we get started here. Gap up, gap lower. I'm assuming that I could probably put in a pull from this angle.
My bad.
What'd you pick?
That's okay.
Got 17 watchers. See what else we got. Got this guy day trading NQ futures. He's got 217 watching. Stock Tiger. I want to be better than that guy. Do we need a disclosure too?
Yeah, put one
Like to put up a disclosure.
description just in case. I think I want to have one in the main channel, but I'll double check it.
Fair enough. About 2 minutes.
Oh.
We're open.
Damn. Let's go.
You guys are interested in coming over to the Discord. Did somebody already play the song?
It was played.
I see. I'm back to a full volume trading session. Super excited. You got a Lucid. I'm trading with a Lucid 25K. See how the voice settings are. Test 1, 2, 3. Okay. First off, let's do some quick shout outs. We got some, let's look at the top fans. We got Alex Been Geekin, BDM VB, K Mac the Farmer, Dr. John Dorian, Alex TWB, get the TWB bot, RM Trades, and Roy, myself, obviously. So thanks for joining us tonight. Tonight we got some cool things going on. You're starting me out live tonight and on the Discord. So if you want to join us in the Discord, or if you want to continue watching on the YouTube, go ahead and get signed up for the Discord. Type that in the chat for you. Got the Bookmap setting in the live. We are going to put up a face video soon. I'm just kind of getting the whole idea. This is kind of a Frankenstein setup on the OBS, but we'll get there sooner or later on a better setting for everybody. And we'll have some cool things going on as I put it together, but we wanted to put it together tonight. I'm going to do a quick call out for everybody in the Discord. We got Mr. Degen, we got Lauren, we got Zenzen. Yep.
Oh, Zenzen's back.
Yep. We got Falcon, Supersonic, Echo, Noculus, Eden, Katie, Steve, Raby, and X. And we got, is it like Pikash? Pecan? Excuse my pronunciation there. That always doesn't come out as the way you guys want to express it from someone else. Tonight I'm trading a Lucid 50K. Picachon. You can hear me better on YouTube than Discord? That makes sense.
It's a bigger delay on YouTube than it is on Discord right now.
Yeah, there's quite a bit of
It's because I forgot to change one very important thing. Make it low latency.
Oh, okay. Low latency through the settings.
Yeah, it's kind of blacked out right now because we're actually live. So
got it. We'll fix it. Zenzen's back. 19 watching. All right. So how do we get? All right. What we got in the book map? 25,480 right now on the book. We're below VWAP. Bouncing off the 20 EMA. Bull. You forgot the commands? Oh, They're all the same. Zen,
Yeah.
they're the same.
The
Same.
commands work on the different machine. That's why we're
Very cool. Supersonic, are you bringing up the the other night when I did my analysis on the QQQ? Yeah, straight up options data, options volume. That was it, man. Yeah, once you learn how to configure all of the instruments together and collaborate them, you're able to see a lot more on the market than you did before. So this is my current OBS setup. It is Stickman for sure, but you know what? We'll work on filling it in. We'll get it nice and easy. Get my face in there. Just wanted to kind of get a good stream up for the next hour. Kind of do a pre-launch. And you know, I'm gonna be streaming as soon as I get it a little bit more beefed up. I'm gonna work on getting the ES in the morning and the NQ at night. And then we're gonna be streaming Sunday through Friday. So we'll get Sunday night, Friday morning, Sunday night NQ, and then I'll put the schedule up for at least a minimum of an hour. So this is definitely a test run for cash hours. We're gonna kind of make it a little bit more critiqued. Bookmap, as you can see, we have Bookmap on the right hand side on the YouTube. Looks like all of you believe that this is going to continue up. So I really like the bookmap touch to it. We have just the pricing and order, resting order blocks. Just trying to see if it's coming in clear. We already played the song Zen Zen.
yeah, that's where that latency is going to be important because ultra low, you'll be able to respond to the chat because as they type the messages in, you're reading it live, but the response will be delayed by 5 seconds, which is annoying.
I see. I see. Looks like most of the chat is up for long. Everybody likes the bull setup. We got 20 resting orders right there at 25,550 or 25,500. Sorry, 25,500. We're just below the POC and the VWAP. So we'll see if we find some sort of resistance here. Tonight I'm just trading a 50K Lucid. Hopefully that one is no activation fees. So once that one gets passed, it's got a $1,200 drawdown, daily drawdown though. So if I hit that, it's gonna lock me out. We're just patiently waiting here. We're gonna do some pretty cool things on this stream. I am pretty excited about what I have to bring to the table. Tomorrow we'll be streaming on the ES. See if we can't get that one to go.
It'd be the same. Just snatch the screen, adjust it to your setup, and then
You're talking about going to the VIP room tomorrow morning?
yeah, you set it up because that one is continuously running. It's already live right now, so all you have to do is snatch it, and then you won't be able to do a Discord session as well. You'll just be able to do the YouTube.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that get you going. So everybody here, I think, plugged the current stream, so we'll say
Well, CME is gonna be a little off, you think, right? All right, all right, all right. So setting up an OBS is quite a experience.
yeah, it's not easy, especially if you don't if you have nowhere to start.
Well, that was me. I have nowhere to start, really. I was on the ground level. This is the skeleton model per se. Can we pump up? We need to pump up. Pump down. Long looks solid there.
I'll be right back.
Sounds good. Sounds good. What do we got? Uh, well, Fibs, we're if you go scroll up in the chat, you can actually see the link to the live stream. Right now we got very minimal. It's a dry run per se. It's a skeleton OBS. It is what it is. But you know what? I'm pretty excited about it because I'm gonna start streaming out of it Sunday through Monday or Sunday through Friday. I'll be hopping in Friday, and then of course I'll hop in the Discord live without the OBS at times too, outside of the hours that I schedule. Do this full time. Need to build this OBS up to the max, but hopefully in time. I want to keep the Macticator there. Use TradeAvate as my platform of trading. The Macticator is something to see, especially during regular trading hours. And then I got to get Rhythmic put together. Like, it's really nice because I can see the whole screen. So what we did on the TradeAvate, we have a pivot up there at 25,548 roughly. So we have a pivot. Obviously, we're rejecting off of. We're a little bit closer on the TradeAvate than we are in TV, but yeah, it's I hope it looks nice, Steve. I mean, I do want to add a couple things more to it, but kind of gives the full picture, gives us a YouTube. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? We got to break this high volume node here at 25, 5, 15, 50 or 25, sorry. So we got to break through that to keep going. And I do think that we possibly could test that wick at 46.
Stop ES5.
Let's go. Anybody long? Anybody short? Anybody in a trade? $533, then $565 long. 520. Need to push above 520. According to Dr. John Dorian. Steve took a scalp, small long. Those of you joining us in the Discord, you can now watch this stream live on YouTube. Check us out. You can scroll up in the chat there on the Discord and hop in and watch my chart live. It does have some Bookmap in it. We didn't get rid of TWB, that's for sure. A little bit of a, Frankenstein OBS, but it's alive, I like it. I mean, it's simple. You just want to keep things simple and not miss out on it entirely. We're dumping off a little bit here. Oh, nice little dump back to this gap here. We had a gap. We got a gap that we just filled at 506.75. ES failed to get above Friday's highs. Yeah, Fibs, I think YouTube's going to be delayed a little bit more. About 5 seconds, give or take. Let's see. I think we possibly could go back and test the VWAP. Possibility, or the 20. What do we got for orders coming through? Come on. All right, see, that was the push. The bounced off that 5 EMA. Now we head up. 521. That's always a good entry for a long there. Quick scalp.
Stop ES5.
Yeah, it needs to close above 520. Oh. We kind of pulled out there. Heavy red candle. Wow, that was a big setup. Back to the VWAP, back to the 20. Which way are we going? Hmm. Dumping off. Can you guys hear? You shouldn't be able to hear the book map. Can you hear the book map through my mic? Back to the VWAP. 500, 25,500. Going back up to 25,506. Oh, 25,501. No? Okay. Thanks, Chris. Much appreciated for that info. I was just curious if you heard it. Market pulse. Well, that's okay if it's just a little bit. That's obviously sellers selling off. Broken closed to below. Should close below the VWAP here. We got about 35 seconds. Good little push down. Oh wow, good push down. Just headed straight down. VWAP sell. Anybody take that short? That was 30 points. All right, those are buyers. But I don't know if they're get it in, get it out. Yeah.
Stop NQ sell. Stop filled.
Got some secret sauce. Went long there. See if we can't. Oh, sellers came in heavy. Oh, is that the flip? Nope, still pushing down, guys. Got in a little too early. Let's see if we can't look for that push back up. Nope. Should have taken profit there.
Stop filled.
Bummer. Feeling continued down. The thing is still pushing lower. I think the target is the 200 EMA down here. Now that we broke.
Stop NQ sell.
Whatever it is that we broke. But we'll see. Hmm. Let's see if, of course, we're gonna be pushing lower. Where's the next target? The 200 EMA is the next target down, which is 25,441. Wow, that was 50 points already. Pretty good. I mean, 200 EMA is the target. Now, what it does after it gets there, we don't know. We do have a gap there. Here's to see how it reacts at the 200 EMA. We could go lower. Could go lower. Could even get the market makers excited that we even got to this point and reverse. I mean, literally, that was pretty close to a 100-point move there, which is insane. All right, I put it long up there. Let's see if we can't catch that long on the way up. Again, this is for entertainment purposes only. Do not copy trade my trades. You can lose money. And educational purposes and entertainment only. So we're in. Let's see if we can get a bounce here. No. It seemed to get it to pop. continue this push up and not reject that 20 EMA, that'd be nice. Holding. Need this 30-second to close up here. Nice little push up. And now I need to close above that 20 EMA. At least a retest of the VWAP, at least. Needed to see it get over that 20 EMA. POC just moved. Let's see if we can't. Hopefully this is the bottom for the session moving forward. Let's see. Delta's just moved to green. See if this keeps moving up. 4 seconds. So we get that candle close. We got a candle close. We still got some pushing to do. We got to get above POC. Go test the VWAP. Again, this is a 50K Lucid. Got to do a shout out to Fibs, the prop firm Whisper, for donating that to that. But he has some great streams, guys. When it comes to trading psychology, definitely gonna start having some more psychology in the mix of everything. Like to see it come up to the VWAP and touch. What do we got for Bookmap? Bookmap is showing green on the deltas. We got an 18 lot right below the VWAP on the Bookmap. Sitting there. We'll see if we can't go fill it. Got a nice little profit going. No, 20 EMA needs to hold. Still looking like a bear flag. Yeah, I should cut it for a break even, huh? Yeah, all the way back down to my stop loss.
Stop fill.
Didn't make much on that. If go figure. Reaches for the stop loss and bounces. Wow, right back up. I charge it. Charge it. Gotta charge it.
Stop NQ sell.
Don't you hate that? It just comes back to the stop loss and then pumps. Just rips right through it, and then right back up to where you originally wanted it. 2 minutes. Gotta watch yourself. Psychology there. It's definitely trading psychology because you can go on tilt. You're like, no, it's supposed to go down. And then it just shoots right back up to the VWAP.
Stop and keep buy.
All right, we're almost at the top of the hour. Looking more like a bear flag. Just can't seem to pick a direction it wants to go to here. Getting pushed down by the 920, 920. I'm gonna put my money on the bear flag. That could have been the turnaround candle. We'll see if it takes my order. Checks here. No. I'm gonna play this gap here. Short this gap here. Short 25, 466.25. Let's see if it comes back to it. I'd like to see it come back down to the 200 EMA. So I'm gonna hold it till this point here. If it takes my orders, I'm in. 2 contracts. 3 contracts. Let's see how we go. Oh man, they go the wrong way, huh? Is it gonna hold lower? Is it gonna hold lower? Let's see. No, I'm gonna play the bear flag. I like the idea for the bear flag. Possible 200 retests. So far, proving me right. That looked good. This little push there. Let's see if we can get a little further down. We've got 20 seconds left on this candle. Yeah, look at that. That was a nice little dip. We're gonna go to this gap. Playing the gap down here, 1 tick gap. Gonna move my stop loss. If it wants to pop back up.
Stop and Q sell.
Let's see what happens here. Probably goes right back up. Should have taken the G. But if it rejects this area here, we'll probably dip down further past the 200. That was a nice break. See if we can't get some more sellers in here. Oh, look at that. Delta's just went red.
Stop and Q sell.
Looks like we're gonna rip through the 200 here if we keep running.
Iceberg and Q buy.
Yeah, we're ripping right through the 200, pushing further down. We got all the way to the gap. Macticator for the win here, almost. Just about there. We'll see if we bounce. Should. Ah, no. Yeah, there's a pivot down there too we could be testing. Yeah. Macticator, is it gonna hit? Let's see. Come on, Macticator, don't fail me. You got a 1 tick gap down there that I've put on the other end. Nope, it's failing. Bummer. Almost had it. So fast though. It's like one second. Looked like it wanted to stick, but it didn't. Let's see here.
Stop and Q sell.
Oh, we're selling off. CVDs are red. Good deal. If we break that, we got a pivot below that we could test, but I'm not willing to check my theory. Macticator, go. Oh, so close. Within a tick. Bet you it rocks down to the pivot too. Okay. Macticator for the win. Let's go. Ah, man. What is going on? She doesn't want to stay down there. Fill the gap. Maybe now? There we go. That was beautiful. Beautiful setup. Got it. Nice trade. Kept going down to the pivot. Pivot was at right here at 25, 422.50. Good gain, good gain. That was a $1,600 trade. I think I need $1,500 more to pass this Lucid account. Live on stream. Here we go. We're passing evals. Passing evals. Back up. We're going to go back up. I'm going to still push down past this pivot. right there on that pivot. I want to wait for a retest. Now I think we possibly go back up to this gap here. Be nice to see that done. Maybe even back to the 200 EMA. The retest for a lower setup. I want to shoot for that. Let's see if we can't go for that. Let's see if it takes my long order there for 900. We're still pushing down. Still going lower, guys and gals. Would have been a nice hold. Of course. Wow. Just straight down. Which would help my puts on the option side. I have puts for December 5th. 682 on the SPY. So. So you got about 30 seconds left. I'd like to see a 200 EMA retest. Really fast, please.
Stop fill. Stop fill. Stop fill.
Nope. It took me and dropped. Oh, wow. Should have went short, huh? She's not done shorting. Wow.
Stop fill.
Took me out.
Stop fill.
Right again. Mm. No, she doesn't want to go higher, guys and gals. We're out.
Stop filled.
That didn't do me any good. That did not do me any good. Oh my gosh. Definitely still going lower. Check us out. What's that?
Right down to 400. Bounce off this liquidity.
Oh,
Or take it. Looks like he'll take it. CBDs are very
yeah, they are.
Yeah, you can all see all those levels. Peek on your chart with the Bookmap. Let me see. Are you looking? You're looking.
Yeah, just it's falling. It's falling out of sky. Yeah.
Stop in Q5.
Okay.
70 set 40. Oh yeah, 77 resting orders at 75 or 4,400.
Yeah. 400. I think the only thing I see difference is that you might need to adjust like the color that bookmap just a little bit, but
Okay.
it should be easy enough. I think it's the same filter. It's how I can't remember the name of it. It's called like Rex 709. I believe it will make it more vibrant.
Okay. Is that on my end?
Yep.
Um,
Filters, visual filter, and it would be under. I think it's gamma.
okay.
I might be able to change it on mine. Let me see if that helps.
Finding some support there at the 400. So are we gonna pop back up?
Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected.
Why is it rejecting my order?
Order rejected.
Oh, it doesn't let you do more than 4. Oh yeah, it's 4. That's right. We used that as a support there for 400. We didn't take it. Whoa, those are some colors. We'll do a 200 EMA retest maybe. I wouldn't want to stick around there for long. That's the question. If you're joining the stream, we're trading the NQ, trading out of a Lucid 50K account. Currently up $700 in it. Still got a good drawdown. Yeah, we're gonna probably retest that 200 EMA if we don't reject off that 20 or this pivot here. This pivot. We do got a indicator indication up here, which makes sense to V-shape recover this if we do continue up. But we'll see if it wants to go back and test out that 400.
Order rejected. Order rejected. Order filled.
I'm gonna play this one a little tight. See if we come back to that 400 mark. Wow, indicator for the win. If it cleans it up, beautiful trade. 2 minutes. A beautiful trade. We got about $1,100 before we pass this Lucid account. indicator for the win. Pivot, rejected off the pivot, took the trade down to the gap down there, exited out perfectly on it. Beautiful. Good game, good game. Oh, I'm not. Good. Let's see if we're gonna bounce off the indicator. Usually, typically, when it touches the gap, price auction gap, then what happens is that it does something other than continue. So we'll see if it wants to continue lower or go back up, retest the pivot. Although it does look like it is pushing lower, we are filling. We got a 73 lot down there at 400 that we could beautifully take out. We take out beautifully. Looks like maybe there's a possibility that we find our support there. If you're watching the YouTube stream, and you like our content, please hit the like button. Alex Vendant, 400 target, beautiful. Retracting Friday's EOD pump. Yeah, it did retract it. Let's see, we got some fans in here. Let's see. Oh, we're still rocking lower. We do have a 4-tick gap down below that we could reach for. 25, 351. Let's see. See how it reacts here. I'm gonna put a support there. We got definitely a support there. And then the gap support. So we'll see how it goes.
Absorption and Q buyers. Stop it.
73's got 20 lots. We got 22 lots here that we could break through. Nice, beautiful breakdown. Move my stop to break even. See if we can't go get 73. No, come backing up from my stop loss here. Break even. Oh, it's still rocking lower. What do we got? Support at 68.50. 70. 70 looks good.
70, 350, 325 possible. Start to get
Man,
then it goes further down, but right now just under 370. It looks like we're where we have order sitting.
yeah, it came back up from my stop loss.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to come back to 400. Ooh, spoofers.
Yep. Played to 4.
Order filled.
No.
Ice for PS5. Stop and Q sell.
Come on, back up to 400. Let's go. Nope. Came back for my stop loss and dumped. Bummer. Yeah, we're out. No, went lower. No, I'm out. Well, look for the next setup. Wow, there it is. There was the dump candle. Goodness gracious. I missed it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Sweeps are coming in pretty strong. Interesting. Market volume indicator showing negative, and then they kind of fade. But if you watch on the ES, right where that resistance was, we're kind of bounced off. We were bouncing off of 37.50. So kind of fading back to that. Next buyer level is at 68.30 on the ES. So you might see that same kind of like fade down into it, fade away, and then come right into it again. And then 68.25.
Stop and Q sell.
At the bottom. Is that a sweeper to the bottom? Just barely tapped my entry. Didn't enter me. Oh, we're going lower. All right, we're in a short, but this one may take me out because it looks a little powerful. Book. Come back and test 350. Yeah, no, I don't have any faith in this. gonna pop off. I think I'm gonna pop off stream. I got a lot going on here already. Everybody's screaming. Yeah, you guys can't hear them. Much appreciated.
I was just about to write that in.
Yeah. Yeah. Didn't do well. Down 680. So everybody's got my family going nuts.
We'll catch you tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'll probably be in the text.
Yeah, for sure.
Make sure everything goes good. Just hit me up if there's any issues.
Sounds good. Discord, thank you for joining us. I'm gonna hop off as well on the Discord. So I hope you all stay green. To get off, I just stopped streaming.
Yeah.
Is there an exit mode or something? No. Live stream ended.